There, Santa Clarita. Happy 3rd of July. It is the weekend of the big event, the 4th of July. So happy birthday, America. And I wanted to bring you the Santa Clarita real estate market values. Real quick, I'm just going to say the numbers are what the numbers are going to be. I'm going to share those with you in a second. And I'm going to give you my take on what's going on. Normally, the numbers are what tell the story about what's happening in the market. But honestly, there feels like a disconnect. I've been selling real estate for 26 years and I have been through cycles. I've been through a whole lot of different market changes. And there is no way to say this other than uh, I don't know how to interpret this other than to share what I know. And then you can interpret it the way that you want to. And hopefully, we can have a conversation about it if it is something that's important to you. So let's go. Hey, I usually share with you the numbers from the previous month, which would be June of 2026. And I'm going to do that, but I'm also going to give you a little bit of my, I don't know if the numbers support my feelings about what's happening in the market. So here we go. Really, the numbers show that the Santa Clarita Valley market just posted its biggest year over year shift, and it's got nothing to do with the price. What it is it's pending sales. Pending, those are the homes that are like going into contract, they're going into escrow. Those pending sales are down 28% compared to this time last year, which is the June month I'm analyzing. And that's the largest percentage move of any metric that is in this month's report. So like for comparison, new listings are down 12% and active listings are down 17%. Closed sales are down 16%. And that, I mean, really what's also affected is the median price. It has come down, but only 2%, which is not crazy. And that median price is about, well, it is $810,000 for a single family home in the Santa Clarita area. So the price is barely moved, but the number of buyers is actually, the number of buyers who are actually getting into contract has dropped dramatically. I mean, sharply. That number sounds I mean, it is really high and it could sound alarming. However, when you look at the number of listings that are down, the new ones and the active ones, like it makes sense that there's less buyers going into contract. So it's not something I think to be really concerned about. It's just a continuation of this flatness, this flat market that we've been experienced where it's just a little bit up, a little bit down, a little bit tighter, a little bit not. So here's my read. Like this is not a fact. This is Rebecca's gut. The homes that are selling, they're still kind of moving fast. They're not getting a ton of showings, but the showings that they are having, they're getting more offers per showing. So there's less buyers that are out there right now, even looking. So right now, 38 days is the market average or on market average, and that's unchanged from last year. It's the same as it was last June in 2025. So this doesn't look like a market where nothing is selling. It just is fewer buyers are stepping up to make the offers in the first place. And I don't know what that is a function of. It's possibly rate sensitivity. They're still over six. They are trending down. However, they're coming down a little bit. And it is possibly seasonal. It is the 250th birthday for the United States. We're in the little bit of a holiday season right here. And, you know, perhaps it's something else that I just don't know about. So the data doesn't tell us exactly what's going on, but it just tells us that we are not experiencing a lot of activity. What does that mean for you? I don't know, but here's what I do know. If you're weighing a move in this market, what we need to do is take a look at what's going on for you personally. We can look at these numbers and look in your specific neighborhood and find out what this actually means for your specific situation. So that's all I have for you right now. Again, I hope you have a wonderful 250th birthday America celebration, and I will see you soon.